Welcome, viewers. Be on top of your prospects with Galidix. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Global data releases provide useful insight into how economies are developing and how markets may respond over time. These releases include information such as employment figures, inflation data, production activity, retail spending, and central bank updates. When studied with structure, they help learners refine trade planning with a clearer understanding of the wider economic environment. The process begins with preparation. Before a data release, learners can review the market context, current direction, and key areas of activity. This creates a foundation for understanding how new information may connect with the existing market structure. Preparation allows the data to be viewed as part of a larger story, rather than as a single event. Observation is also important. When data is released, markets often show how participants interpret the information through price movement, volume, and direction. By observing this response calmly, learners can understand how economic information connects with market behavior. This helps build a clearer picture of how data influences momentum and participation. Context adds further value. A single data release becomes more meaningful when compared with previous figures, market expectations, and wider economic themes. This comparison helps learners recognize whether the information supports ongoing trends, sector activity, or currency movement. It also encourages a more complete and organized approach to planning. Timing can be refined through this process. By watching how markets behave before and after key releases, learners can identify moments where structure, data, and market response align. This creates a thoughtful framework for planning entries, reviewing conditions, and understanding opportunities. Using global data releases to refine trade planning is about connecting information with structure. Economic data helps explain the rhythm of global markets, while market responses show how that information is received. With calm observation and regular review, data releases become a valuable part of a clear, confident, and well-organized trading process. Stick around. There's plenty more to discover with Galidix.